Here is our Aldi haul, and you're gonna notice a theme because we're a few short weeks before St. Patrick's Day. So let's get started. I picked up some chopped kale, some organic chopped kale, because I am going to make an appetizer, a ring with kale and chicken and bacon, and so I needed some kale. We always get some fresh spinach, so I did get that as well. We always have fresh broccoli, so got some of that. Some green onions. Just picked up a package of green onions. Zucchini was on sale, so I went ahead and grabbed the 2-pack. We love zucchini, so that'd be great. My son is on a real big salad kick, and while I have attempted to make these on our own and make them cheaper, I have found that doing this by Aldi, they get eaten much more likely to get eaten, portion control, and it's easy for him to grab and go. So we got 4 of those, 2 Santa Fe and 2 Caesar salads. I picked up some crescent rolls, which is gonna go with that chopped kale. I picked up 3 avocados. They're gonna need to sit out because they are not quite ripe at all. Gotta get those ripe. And then a bag of onions, baby Bella mushrooms. We always get regular mushrooms. I thought a little mix it up. Let's try some baby Bellas, the creminis this time. Then we got, this was on sale. My husband, we actually really enjoy the firm tofu, and this is organic tofu. He cooks it up in the skillet where it gets nice and crispy. So good. So I got him more of that. I did pick up some uncured smoked ham, deli ham. I did buy some green grapes, which is really for more of our St. Patrick's Day stuff. It's for my charcuterie board because we don't tend to eat a lot of fruit. But that is for that, the charcuterie. We do eat quite a bit of cheese, so I did get the Italian style blend of cheese with smoked mozzarella, actually skim mozzarella, not smoked, provolone, Romano Parmesan, and Asiago. And then because, like I said, we are close to St. Pat's Day, and a lot of the recipes call for Swiss cheese, so I got sliced and a block for shredding. I did pick up a specialty Irish cheddar cheese to put on our charcuterie board. And last time my husband requested this, so I went ahead and got it from him, the Braunschweiger. This is basically liverwurst, but I did get that for him. I'll throw that on the charcuterie board, and that's something he can eat. Hawaiian rolls, which are gonna be for my pastrami sliders that I'm gonna make. They had this. I was really going for this. I'm so glad they had it. The marble rye. Hello, Reubens. That's what that says to me. I am gonna make these Reuben bites. I'll probably make some Reuben sandwiches. We love Reubens. So that's why I bought that marble rye. I just love it. That's wonderful. They had these. These are not new this week. I've seen them before, but they were down to their last few. These are cappuccino gelato cups. They just look so good. Then I want to make a dessert, and I've been thinking about like a hazelnut spread dessert. This reminded me of the lady fingers, but it has like this chocolate glaze on there. I thought that'd be really good to make a layered dessert with. Some pantry, items that I always get. I really love the price they have on their whole bean organic coffee beans, so I did pick up another bag of that. It was a reduced price, so grab that. I love everything bagel seasoning. This one caught my eye because it says Asiago cheese, so I definitely had to get that. Grab that. Then, let's go back here. Half and half. We always need half and half. That's what we put in our coffee. Now we're going to get into more of the Irish kind of food and other things, and that's where we got some Lucky Crunch snack mix. I did pick this up when they had it for Valentine's Day. Very similar. The white pretzels, they have these little, instead of pink, they're green. They have the caramel corn with some green frosting. Anyway, that's our Lucky Crunch snack mix I'm going to use in our charcuterie board, as well as these Irish potato chips, sour cream and shamrock, thick cut with skins on. So I thought that was cool. And then the big item, corned beef brisket. So I'm going to make those brisket sliders. I'm going to have this probably as a meal. That's going to be great. And then I do need to make soup for soup group. So I went ahead and got the ground chicken because I'm going to be making, I just realized, I got my soups mixed up. I was thinking this will have to be the next month and I'll freeze this, but I did see it. And because it is their good, clean meat, the no antibiotics, I did pick up the ground chicken. That's going to be for the buffalo chicken soup I'm going to make. But actually, the next soup I'm making for soup group is actually going to be Reuben soup. So stay tuned for that. And I did pick up some of these wild caught lobster bites. They just sounded really good. Wanted to try those out. Then I did go to a specialty store because I am going to be whipping up a batch of appetizer of bacon wrapped water chestnuts. And I found this smoked whiskey glaze that I am going to baste on those bacon wrapped chestnuts. Oh my gosh, that's going to be so good. And I will likely be going to this specialty shop. So that is not an Aldi product. That is a specialty store that I hit after going to Aldi. And I'll probably be going there more frequently because they have the best like sauces, dips, and all sorts of things. But here is our Aldi haul once again. So items for the week, pantry items, staples we had to get, and then more of the Irish food, St. Pat's Day, different appetizers and things. So I can't wait to show you those. And I forgot 2 other items I did buy from Aldi. I bought this Huntington Home Velvet Plush Sherpa Throw. It's got a gray crisscross pattern and this beautiful soft Sherpa fabric. It is so plush, so soft. It's gonna be great. I'm a sucker for blankets. I just am, and it was a couple dollars off, so of course I had to get it. The other thing, I needed a bin for my porch accessories, so I snagged this up. This is 54 quarts, so a very large size storage container. I needed that, grabbed that, and so those are my 2 extra Aldi finds. Today I'm making a California Club ring using my dip and chip set from Pampered Chef. I do have the bowl that goes with it, which we'll be making an avocado dip. And then on here will go our ring. I've already sprayed it with some olive oil spray, and I have our oven preheating at 375 degrees. I have shredded my cheese. It calls for pepper jack, but I am using some leftover Gouda and a white cheddar blend that I had. And this came from leftover charcuterie board. I'm just using what I have. I think any cheese will work in this recipe. I'm going to chop 2 green onions into our classic batter bowl, 4 cups of my kale, which is about half this bag. To our kale in our classic batter bowl, we're going to add a teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic. You could also use fresh. And I'm going to add in my crumpled chopped bacon that's been cooked in the air fryer. I'm gonna give that a quick stir. We're gonna put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. Our kale is now wilted after being in the microwave for 2 minutes, and that's with that bacon and some garlic. To our kale, we're gonna add our chopped tomatoes, our 4 ounces of shredded cheese, and I also have rotisserie chicken that I took apart from the bone. It just needs to be cooked chicken that's easily shredded. And then we're gonna stir all that. And now I'm gonna add my mayonnaise and mustard. So that's 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Let's give that a good stir. Okay, our chicken mixture is all combined. I have put a package of crescent rolls. I've added them with the points facing out and put them all around. I'm only doing 1 package, but it would easily fit 2, so I'll probably have leftover filling, but that's okay. I have my medium-sized scoop, and I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop this all around. Now let's go ahead and fold this over. Perfect. We're now going to make our dipping sauce. It calls for a 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 of a ripe avocado, juice of 1/2 a lemon. I chopped another green onion, so that's 1/2 of a green onion. Add a little bit of salt. We're just going to use our manual food processor just to blend this together. I'm going to add the other half of our avocado. Let's put it in our dip bowl. Look at our beautiful ring, how golden brown it is. Perfect. And then for the final touch is our green dip, which is perfect because the colors are so nice together. Look at that. This cooked in our oven for 35 minutes to get that golden brown. If it starts to brown too fast, you can just cover it with tin foil as it finishes cooking. This avocado dip and this chicken bacon kale go so well together. It's the perfect combo. You can catch all of the recipes, the other things I made with my Aldi haul on the next video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified. As always, thank you for watching.